Yo, good morning. It is Sunday, June 25th, about 11:38 a.m. and I'm just waking up. Had a long night, but it's raining and thundering right now. Check it out. As you can see what's going on, but it started hailing too. Oh, I can't see it too much anymore. I'm gonna go outside. Check this out. I'm going outside with my pajama pants on and my boots. Pretty sweet combination. Let's get this. Check this out here. I'm trying to protect my camera. Don't really want to get it wet. I can hear thunder right above me. I just saw lightning in the distance there. You can see in the background it's raining really heavily. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it looks like you can see the rain. It's coming down from the sky pretty good. Well, I just tried to film a little bit there. I think I got some lightning strikes. I was supposed to go on a bike ride today with Luke and Steve. So it looks like it's gonna be a stormy bike ride. We'll see what happens. It is now exactly noon. A little bit of a late start today, but let's get it going. Better late than never. Hey, how's it going?
Not bad. I got the computer and turn on. So looks like I'm gonna do it on my laptop.
Oh. Well, that's good because at least you have one working computer. Yeah. So, should I bring my bike in? I'm not sure if you guys still want to go out. It's raining here in Barrie, kind of wet.
Yeah, the rain stopped here.
Okay, I'll bring my bike.
Hello?
Okay, I'll bring my bike.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'd be up for even going in the rain if you were.
Excellent. That's what I was thinking. All right. I'll see you soon.
All right, cool, man. I'll see you in a bit.
Okay, see ya. That's Steve. So we're going on a bike ride in the rain. Let's do this. Let's do this. So a little update on the skies. The storm has subsided a little bit. Still raining. Actually, it's not raining right now. And apparently it's not raining in Orillia either. About an hour ago it was raining really bad and thundering and lightning. And while I was just filming that, getting all my stuff ready, I broke my tripod thing. So I'm gonna have to get a new one. The piece that broke off, it was kind of already broken, is right here. But I'm glad that it didn't happen when I was filming and my camera dropped or something and broke. So I'm just about to get on the road, so we will continue this in Orillia. Yo! Arrived at Steve's and we just hooked up PreSonus.
No, I'm giving a thumbs up to the viewing side of the camera. Now I'm back to the other side.
Yeah, so yeah, we just got the PreSonus Studio One hooked up for Steve, and this is my old audio box. So now, yeah, we got everything working, and Steve's about to record his first song, and this is inside view of the process. So let's hear it, Steve.
All right, let's get it on.
All right. First look at Steve's the birth of Steve's YouTube channel.
Done in one.
Dying one.
Done in one. I said.
Done in one. Done in one.
Done in one.
You just heard that, Yana. What do you think? Just about to go on a bike ride. Oh, it's Yana. Yana. Hey. Say hi. Say hi.
How long do you think we'll be on this bike ride? A couple hours?
I think so. Yana got her food. Hey, Yana. And we are about to go on the best bike ride in the world.
Bike ride?
Yeah, and I have a speech impediment now. Bike wide. It's gonna be so wide, it's huge. Huge bike ride.
It's gonna be really awesome.
Wheelie. Really awesome. Does that mean you're gonna pop some wheelies?
You bet.
Yeah?
You.
Is she done? Holy crap, that was fast. I think she wants more now. So the squirrel chase begins. Going for a pre-walk to get Yana her exercise in before we go on our exercise mission. What is it, Yana? Where's the squirrel? Here you go. Just arrived at a playground and no one is here, so gonna take advantage of the swings. Going on a swing ride. Right, Steve? Bottle flip, first try. Yeah, well, I'm gonna do it this way. You don't think I'm gonna do it? Alright, Steve doesn't believe in me. I'm doing it left-handed too, so we can see what's going on here. Oh, that still would have counted if I got it afterwards. Yeah, I know. Good, right hand? You did right hand. God damn it. Yeah. Jingle blocks.